7 foods to boost testosterone. As one of the primary hormones in the body, testosterone affects both men and women. So it's critical that we pay attention to how our bodies regulate it. Discover everything there is to know about testosterone, including its effects on the body and the advantages of testosterone replacement therapy. Incorporating these foods into your diet can assist provide the necessary boost if your testosterone levels are low. There are many ways to incorporate these components into your meals, regardless of whether your goal is to use them as a supplement to a hormone treatment plan or as a natural testosterone booster. Apart from diet, see this video to see what the testosterone-boosting foods are. 1. Fatty fish and fish oil. Nutrients like vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for hormonal health, are abundant in fatty fish like salmon and sardines because it is essential to the synthesis of hormones. It is a natural testosterone booster. 2. Milk and dairy products. Milk products are a great source of foods that increase testosterone and can provide you with essential minerals like calcium and vitamin D. However, plant milk might satisfy your daily nutritional needs if you are vegan or lactose intolerant. Consuming dairy products, such as milk, has been found to provide protection against low testosterone levels. Vitamin D, which is necessary for the synthesis of testosterone, is also abundant in milk. 3. Honey. One naturally occurring mineral that is present in food and the environment is boron, which is found in honey. It has been linked to raising testosterone levels and is beneficial for strengthening bones and muscles, as well as enhancing cognitive function and motor coordination. 4. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, cholesterol, vitamin D, and protein, all of which contribute to the synthesis of testosterone. Eggs are a very adaptable food because their protein aids with muscle building in addition to raising testosterone levels. 5. Almond. High concentrations of the mineral zinc found in almonds are known to increase testosterone levels in those who are zinc deficient. A low zinc level may prevent the pituitary gland from secreting some of the essential hormones that promote the creation of testosterone. Consuming meals high in zinc will assist prevent this from happening and prevent your testosterone levels from dropping. 6. Lemons. Lemons and other citrus fruits are excellent sources of testosterone-boosting nutrients. They aid in reducing cortisol levels, which facilitates the production of testosterone. Additionally, they include vitamin A, which is necessary for the synthesis of testosterone and can help lower estrogen levels, increasing the effectiveness of testosterone. 7. Banana. An enzyme called bromelain is found in bananas and is believed to help raise testosterone levels. Bananas are a great on-the-go snack because they lower antioxidant levels and sustain energy levels. There are other ways to raise your body's testosterone levels without eating specific meals. Other lifestyle adjustments can also help raise testosterone. You may be able to increase your testosterone levels by incorporating new foods and making dietary adjustments. As this video shows, there are certain foods that raise testosterone. Hormone levels can also be influenced by eating enough fat, have a good sleep, and maintaining a healthy weight. If your hormone levels are causing you any concern, consult with a healthcare professional. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.